23 August 2026. This is my water kit for my trip I'm going to be taking, hiking part of the Appalachian Trail in Vermont. I carry two 1-gallon Ziploc bags. If you go down a mountainside and you find water, you can put it in there and then haul it up. I use the Google bag to put it in because it makes it easier to haul it up the side of the mountain. I've got the little cup thing here to scoop out water if it's problems, you know, getting it out like it's a puddle. Aquamura, these are backup tablets. One of those in a liter of water, let it set for 30 minutes and the water's good to go. This is a Katadyne water filter. This is new for me. I'm going to try this one out this time. And then when I hike, I carry either one or two 1 liter smart water bottles on my pack on my shoulders. So that's going to be my water kit. Everybody does things differently. But I suggest that you have a primary and a backup for your water. Jash out.